In this video, we're going to explore conditional statements in C programming. Conditional statements are essential for creating programs that can make decisions based on different conditions. You will learn how to use if-else, and else-if ladder to control the flow of your program. Conditional statements allow programs to make decisions based on conditions. They control the flow of execution in a program. C provides several forms: if-else, else-if ladder, and switch. The basic syntax of an if statement involves the if keyword followed by a condition in parentheses. If the condition is true, the code inside the curly braces is executed. For the if-else statement, if the condition is true, the first block of code is executed. Otherwise, the code inside the else block is executed. Let's start with the simplest form, the if statement. The if statement executes a block of code only if a specified condition is true. This condition must evaluate to a Boolean value, meaning it should be either true or false. Here's an example. We declare an integer variable named age and assign it the value of 18. Then, using an if statement, we check if age is greater than or equal to 18. If this condition is true, which it is in this case, the program will print "you are eligible to vote." The program continues from there, regardless of whether the condition was true or false. On the right side, there is a flow diagram. First, the program starts. Then it checks is age greater than or equal to 18. If yes, it prints "you are eligible to vote," and then continues the program. If no, it continues the program without printing anything. Now let's move on to the if-else statement. The if-else statement provides an alternative path for execution when the condition in the if statement is false. Only one block of code will ever be executed, either the if block or the else block, but never both. Here's an example. We declare an integer variable age and assign it the value of 16. Then the if statement checks if age is greater than or equal to 18. If it is true, the program prints, "You are eligible to vote." Otherwise, it prints, "You are not eligible to vote yet." The program continues from there. On the right side, there is a flow diagram. First, the program starts. Then it checks, is age greater than or equal to 18? If yes, it prints, "You are eligible to vote," then continues the program. If no, it prints, "You are not eligible to vote yet," then continues the program. The else-if ladder is used when there are multiple conditions that need to be checked in sequence. Each else-if condition is checked only if the previous if or else-if condition is false. Only the block of code corresponding to the first true condition will be executed. Here's an example. We declare an integer variable score and assign it the value 75. Then a series of if-else-if statements check the value of score. If the score is greater than or equal to 90, the program prints, "grade A." If the score is greater than or equal to 80, the program prints, "grade B." If the score is greater than or equal to 70, the program prints, "grade C." Otherwise, the program prints, "grade F." Here are some best practices. Always use braces even for single statements. Order conditions from most specific to most general. Use proper indentation for readability. Consider using switch statements for multiple equality checks. Be careful of using assignment operator instead of comparison operator in conditions that can lead to unexpected behavior. Nested if statements involve placing one if statement inside another if or else block. This allows for more complex decision-making processes. Here's an example. We declare an integer variable age and assign it the value 25. We also declare an integer variable has ID and assign it the value 1, where 1 represents true and 0 represents false. The outer if statement checks if age is greater than or equal to 18. If this condition is true, the inner if statement checks if has ID is true. If both conditions are true, the program prints, "You can enter the venue." If has ID is false, the program prints, "You need an ID to enter." If age is less than 18, the program prints, "You must be 18 or older." Logical operators like and, or, and not can simplify nested conditions and make the code easier to read. If age is greater than or equal to 18 and has ID is true, print, you can enter the venue else print entry denied. The ternary operator is a shorthand way to write simple, if-else statements in a single line of code. Its syntax is condition ? Value if true : value if false. It's a compact alternative for simple conditional assignments. Instead of writing several lines of code like these, you can write just a single line. Int max equals a greater than b ? b. Let's summarize what we have learned so far. If statements execute code when a condition is true. If else provides an alternative when the condition is false. Else if ladders handle multiple conditions in sequence. Nested if statements create complex decision trees. Logical operators combine conditions. The ternary operator provides a compact alternative for simple cases. And finally, always use braces and proper indentation for readability. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.